is Satyan. I am doing my first year BTech Electrical Engineering in IIT Madras. I originally hail from Bangalore. I was born and brought up on the outskirts of Bangalore. So my schooling was also in Jindal Public School, which is a school in the outskirts of Bangalore. Being on the outskirts, it was a school which catered to rural areas, and therefore we didn't get much exposure to the competitive examinations like IIT entrance examination or physics, chemistry, maths, biology, Olympiads. So it was only when I came to my 12th standard in college that I learned that there were such things as Olympiads, and then I decided that I would try my luck or I would participate in these Olympiads. One day in 12th standard in our college, our teachers introduced us to two seniors. One of them had been to the International Physics Olympiad and had won a silver medal, and the other one had been to the International Mathematics Olympiad a few years ago and won the gold medal. They talked to us about their experiences in these Olympiads and how they became the richer for experience. So they inspired a lot of us in the class to take up these Olympiads. It was from them that I drew inspiration that I must participate in the National Olympiads and then the International Physics Olympiad. The International Physics Olympiad requires us to be good in problem solving and in experimental techniques. It is not exactly difficult, because we have been solving more difficult problems for our preparation for IIT entrance exam than the problems which we solve in the Olympiads. But the only difference is that we get to solve different kind of problems. We therefore require an amount of intuitive thinking and logical reasoning to get past the Olympiads. This can come by experience, by getting to solve more and more problems. For this, it is essential to have an enthusiasm for the subject as well. So I prepared for the Physics Olympiad by solving a lot of problems in various topics. The preparation for the IIT entrance exam also helped. When we first landed in Turkey, I saw many people, many students from all over the world gathered there. Everyone was wearing the International Physics Olympiad bag and walking about. That made me feel nervous. We didn't know about how the students from other parts of the world would be, how prepared they would be, what is their proficiency in physics, etc. But then when we got the paper for physics, then the paper was actually very nice, very easy compared to the initial papers which we had solved back home. So then we confidently solved the paper, and when the results were announced, it turned out that we were 4th in the world out of some 65 countries, which was actually an excellent result. Apart from the competition, we enjoyed the atmosphere there more than anything else. Since there were people from all over the world, we had a lot of cultural exchange. We got to know many things about their countries, about their language, about their education systems. The education system, we came to know about the education systems in all parts of the world. And it turns out that our education system in India is in fact better than many countries of the West. So we also came to make many friends and come to know more about other cultures. I am doing my first year in Electrical Engineering BTech in IIT Madras now. After 4 years, I plan to graduate from with a degree in Electrical Engineering with specialization in microelectronics or electronics. The major research work going on in the world today is in the fields of nanotechnology and quantum computing, etc. So I plan to be there at the cutting edge of technology. This might help us to improve our standard of living and understand nature better.